Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a review on the Maely's. This is the butt mask, the Lift and Firm Booty Mask. And then this is the Belly Firming Cream. So my overall review is, ladies and gentlemen, I don't really think this is going to be our problem fixer. I don't think this is going to save us from a tummy tuck. I don't think that this is going to really save us from anything. So, like I said, I've been religiously doing it on both areas. I'm glad. I was actually contemplating on getting the Be Perky. They have a boob cream. And you figure all these creams, if they're tightening and lifting, they can all work for the same. I mean, that one product could be working for the breast, the butt, the stomach. But you have them all separated so you make a lot of more money, which is a good idea. But I don't agree. I don't think this is lifting, separating, disappearing anything. So thanks again for watching my review, my honest review. I will show you guys what my stomach looked like before and then what it looks like now. So like I said, overall review on the booty mask. The jar is the jar is really big, but the actual container of where the lotion is, it's fairly small, and it doesn't look like it's going empty, but if I put my finger in there, the tip is going to touch the bottom. So the outside is just big and the top is just, the inside is just kind of like a gimmick. They're just trying to sell you a little bit of cream for a lot of money. Once again, overall review. Ladies, gentlemen, this isn't going to fix our problems, okay? I'm pairing this along with working out, eating good,